The next thing I want to add to this project is some nylon table levelers from Osborne. To do this, we'll use a threaded insert as well as some mounting blocks that I've cut out of some scrap wood. If you're interested in learning more about the table levelers or the threaded inserts from Osborne, you can check out the links below. Then I can mark out the location of the threaded inserts on my mounting block and take them to the drill press to drill a pilot hole that is just slightly smaller than my threaded insert. For Osborne's threaded insert, you'll need to use a 1/2 inch drill bit or Forstner bit to drill the pilot hole. This is just smaller than the diameter of the insert and will avoid any cracking during the installation process. To install the threaded insert, start it by hand and then use a proper size Allen key to slowly countersink the insert into the wood. Depending on the wood species, you may need to loosen the insert periodically while installing to avoid cracking or splitting the wood. Once the insert is installed, we can test the fit of our table leveler and then repeat the process for the other 3 threaded inserts.